Today is Sunday, August 14th, 2022. Today's video is for this pair of JBL Professional Control Series 200 loudspeakers, model number 226C/CT. I'm listing these on various online sales sites, so if you're watching this months from now, they may have already been sold. But if you came to this video from an active listing, they should still be available. First, I'm gonna go over the cosmetics of the speakers. Then I'm gonna try to do an audio test. Also, excuse the background noise. I am in a public place and I have no control over the things going on in the background. This is one speaker. This is the label with the serial number. See if I can rotate it. And this here is probably supposed to be straight. This is the where the connectors go. I received these with one set of connectors already connected with wires in it, so I just connected my wires to that to make it easy to test them. This is the second speaker with serial number. So these grills, they're loose, and I don't want to tighten the grills until I actually ship them, because they are hard to get off, and I only want to do it once. Okay, both of these, both speakers will have the two connectors that go here and here. And now I'm going to be setting up something to try to do an audio test. Okay, for the audio test, I'm using this YouTube video. It's called Greatest Audiophile Music Collection 2020 High-End Test Sounds from Audiophile NBR Store. So on these speakers, there are two connectors. One says one is labeled 1 and 2. I assume those are the ones that I'm supposed to use. And the other one is A and B. It says line loop. I'm going to use 1 and 2. Which are the bottom ones, I assume. Okay, most of the videos I do are for a particular item I'm trying to sell, but if you click on the like and subscribe, it helps me get to the point where I can get monetized on YouTube. Okay, unfortunately, I'm at a location where I'm 20 feet away from the sound source and the control knobs, and I have a poor internet connection to YouTube, but hopefully everything works out okay. I'm gonna move the speakers up a little closer for now. Okay, this is both speakers playing at a low volume, and I'm gonna go turn the speakers up a little bit more, or turn the volume up a little bit more.
Just
both speakers playing. I'm going to turn the left speaker down so only the right is playing, and then turn the right speaker down so only the left is playing. Just this left speaker playing. And now that is just this right speaker playing. I'm going to remove the cones, the grills. This is both speakers playing with the grills removed. I'm going to do a close-up of the grills, of the speakers with the grills removed. I should do the same thing with each speaker individually playing. This is with the left speaker only.
No arms like yours. No eyes like yours. No hands like yours. No heart like yours. Loving you.
And this is with the right speaker only. That is both speakers playing again at a lower volume. And this is it for the JBL Control 200 series speaker test. If you found anything you like, please click on the like and subscribe. I usually don't ask people to click on the bell button because most of my videos are about different items that I'm trying to sell that you may not be interested in. Thank you.